Hello children, let us know about series combination of capacitors. In series combination, second plate of first capacitor is connected to first plate of second capacitor, second plate of second capacitor is connected to first plate of third capacitor, and so on. The first plate of the first capacitor and the second plate of the last capacitor is connected to opposite terminals of battery. Let us suppose that three capacitors of capacitances C1, C2 and C3 are connected in series to a potential difference V of the battery. Let plus Q and minus Q be the charge stored on first and second plate of each capacitor. Let V1, V2, V3, V1, V2, V3 be the potential drops formed on the capacitors C1, C2, C3 respectively. In series combination of capacitors, the total potential drop is equal to sum of potential drops on the capacitors. Therefore, V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Consider it is equation number 1. But we know that the potential drop across first capacitor V1 equals to Q by C1 and the potential drop across second capacitor V2 equals to Q by C2 and the potential drop across third capacitor V3 equals to Q by C3. Substitute these values in equation 1, then we get V equals to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. Take common Q, then V equals to Q into 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3, or V by Q equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Consider it is equation number 2. Now, this series combination of capacitors can be regarded as an effective capacitor with charge Q and potential difference V. Then the effective capacitance of the combination of C, then 1 by C equals to V by Q. Consider it is equation number 3. Putting this equation in equation 1, we get 1 by C equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Consider it is equation number 4. For any number of capacitors in series, we get 1 by C equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus so on plus 1 by Cn.